How to create an account on Bybit application. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to create or sign up into Bybit. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch the Bybit application on your device. Make sure you already have downloaded and install the Bybit application on your device. Then you can easily tap on the profile at the top left corner and you will land on the section where you have got the sign up or login now button. Simply to create account, tap sign up button at top right corner. And here you will get access to this create Bybit account page where you have to sign up using email, mobile number, or also you can go with Google. For now, let's enter all our email regarding credential. Now you need to check mark the box. If you have referral code, you can easily tap on referral code and enter, which is optional. Now tap the sign up button at bottom of the screen. Now verification code has been sent on our email. You need to check your inbox or spam folder and enter all your codes. Once you are done entering all your information, here you need to verify your identity. For now, you can skip as well, tapping on the skip icon at top right corner of the screen. When you go to the profile at the top left corner, as you can see that we have easily created account on Bybit. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.